Hi guys, welcome to our video. We are gonna make some healthy cake today. So let's start. This is 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. This is 1 cup of carrot, and this is 1 spoon of baking powder, and this is some sprinkles and golden balls for the decoration, and this is oil. And this is baking soda, and for the sweetness we have dates, and this is salt, and these are 2 big bananas. This is elachi. This is 250 ml of wheat flour. This is half cup milk, and this is a big bowl that we will use now. And these are 2 eggs. We are gonna take banana, dates and elachi seeds and make them paste. Now we are gonna put some dates. These are the dates. And some elachi. And for last, bananas. Now let's mix it in the mixer. We are gonna take 2 eggs in a large bowl and take the hand blender and mix the 2 eggs well till it's foamy. Should be like this, and take your parents' help while using kitchen appliances. Now we are putting some oil into the egg. Now we are gonna put some wheat flour into the egg and oil mixture. And now we are gonna put 1 spoon of baking powder into the mixture, and half a tablespoon of baking soda, and half a tablespoon of salt. Now we are gonna put 1 spoon of cinnamon powder into the mixture. Let's mix now in the whisk. Now let's put the banana and dates mixture that we did earlier. Now we are adding the carrot. Let's mix it well. Now we have mixed everything. Now we will put half cup milk and mix it again. It should become like this. We are done with the mixing now. We will put the mixture inside the cupcake mold. Now we will put the toppings that we kept earlier. Now it's ready to be baked. Now the cakes are baked to eat. Let's check if they are baked correctly in a toothpick. This one is correctly baked. 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 And this one is correct. Now let's taste it. We were one time Thankyou and it has been very tasty. I can't resist it. This cake has turned out very yummy.